Look, underneath us.
Oh my God!
There's two under there.
I'll get my bag out of it. Gonna take one of them and send them on the
That made me jump the first time. Not a lot does that. I was like, oh.
Ready for you.
I jumped, I didn't get a picture.
Did you guys see it? Did you
I
see it
saw
through the water?
He's after the penguins.
Penguins are after him.
No.
Here, the penguins are after him? No, I don't think so. We're gonna catch a ride on his back. Oh, they're running away.
They can't even be bothered with it. All right, Hadley, all we need now is a leopard seal come up to
Yeah, can you arrange that?
What do you want it to do?
Leopard seal
say
come
hello.
along.
Oh,
a
right.
leopard seal and an orca.
To make it perfect.
Yeah. Trifecta.